Magic dog dancing. It was a beautiful sunny afternoon in Toy World. Now, there are a couple of things for you to know as this adventure starts. Sometimes when you have the most brilliant, amazing, and wonderful song that you could think of in your heart, it makes you want to sing and dance for joy. Yay! However, if you're a dog that has that song in your heart, you're loud. Yeah! And for dogs, that makes them not only want to bark in order to sing, but to dance for joy too. And a 1, 2, winky, 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 Scooby Dooby 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 Dee, yeah! But after Byron finished dancing, something completely unexpected happened. Ow! Ooh, a banana! Oh, very interesting. Obviously, the banana just fell down from the tree because it was growing on that tree. But at first, Byron thought the banana actually fell down from the sky. And because he was thinking of that, he was thinking of the wonderful dance he did. Maybe if he danced even more, he could make even more things happen. Oh, let me try that again. And a 1, 2, winky, 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 Scooby Dooby 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 Dee, yeah. Now, first things first, no more bananas fell down because that one was the last banana. But the weather started to change. Ooh, thunder! After the thunder was over, it started to rain. And rain. Rain! That's it! Rain! The thing I love most next to bananas. D-Dot! I made it rain! Look what I can do in my home. Wow, that sounds like fun. It is. Do you want to watch me again? Yeah. Watch this. Hi, guys. Ooh, interesting. Oh, no. Dee, are you okay? Sorry if I scared you mid-jump. It's okay. I just learned something new. When you're mid-jumping, at my block, there's a little line, and I could even fit in it. Ooh, very interesting, Dee. You know, one day you might trust dog wisdom 100%. That's for sure. Here you are. So, what are you guys doing? Not much. Just having fun in Dee's home. Oh, okay. Sorry about the rain. It's okay, Byron. You don't have to apologize. It's not like the rain is your fault. Dot. Why would I have been here to be living my whole dog life when I could tell you that I, the most amazingest dog of all, could make rain fall down from the sky? Dar. You could make it rain? That is ridiculous. Yes, of course. It's meant to be ridiculous. It's dog dancing magic. Byron, I have told you the other day, there's no such thing as magic. Dot, when I do stuff, incredible things happen. And you might never know what you might discover if you don't even try to. Right, Dee? Yes, you're right. But the last time we were at the sand pit, digging up the shapes, and your shape magic didn't turn out great. And I don't think your dancing dog magic will turn out great as well. Whee! Well, just you wait and see. This is real magic this time now. What can you do just by dancing? Degree! Oh my goodness, that's a very good question. I'm so excited to tell you. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. What is it? Tell us! Tell us! Just by dancing, I could make bananas fall down from the sky, and I can make the sky rain by my doggy control. Stop putting your eye in the camera. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Plus, it's kind of uncomfortable. Oh, yeah, right. Sorry, I understand. Okay, follow me. Wait, Dark Reach. What is it now? Why are we following you? You are following me, the most awesomest dog of all, because I am about to start a magic dog dancing recital where I get to teach incredible students how to do the magic dog dance. Come on. Wait, Byron, there's no such thing as magic. He'll figure it out. Dark. Once he got all of his students in place, King Cobra, Boomer, Piglet, and Sadness were ready to begin. But Sadness was a special student, so Byron needed her assistance. Sadness, I know that you can't dance, and you always look sad in your whole entire life. So, just like Joy did, I have an incredible job for you. It is very important. It's the easiest job, just for you. There. Now, here's what you need to do. It's very easy and simple. Just make sure, just make sure that all of the sadness, there we go. Make sure that all the sadness stays in this circle that you're standing on right now. Make sure all the sadness stays in there. Okay, sadness? Okay, I understand. It's okay to feel sad. We feel sad every day. Dark. Okay, maybe not every day, but some days we mostly feel sad, and I understand. And you're the only one that feels sad every day, 'cause hey, you're Sadness. And still, I love you no matter what, even if you are not able to dance. But just pay attention to me, okay? You don't have to dance. Just make sure all the sadness stays in the circle. I love you. As for everybody else, which is King Cobra, Boomer, and Piglet, are you all ready to dance? Yes! Oh, yes, I was born ready. Perfect. Oh, wait, I forgot one student. Where is she? Dee, where are you? Silly Byron. She's next to me. Wow. Oh, there you are, Dee. See? It was so obvious to see her. Yeah, but I was too busy auditioning all my magic dog dancing students. Magic dog dancing students. Oh, I almost forgot one thing, too. This laptop is so heavy. Dot, you'll be using this to do some work on my magic dog dancing stats. Agreed? When did you last assign dog dancing stats? Agreed? I assigned them, but millisecond, I just scared you guys off. Agreed? Which makes no sense at all. I'm a dog. Dogs know what to do. Here you are. Now then, get working. I'm sorry, Dee, but I think you have to be one of my students. That's okay, Byron. After all, I'm pretty bored. Oh, well, that's okay then. All right. Now is everybody ready to dance? The magic dog dance. Yes. One question. Yes. And by the way, Boomer, you don't just blurt out a question. You need to raise your hand and I need to come to you. Oh, I'm sorry. It's okay. Ask away. Okay, so, what is magic dog dancing? What does magic dog dancing cause to do? What does magic dog dancing do? Here you are. Magic dog dancing is a very special dance that causes bananas to fall down from the sky, and unpredictable rainy weather will happen at any minute after you do the dance. It's unbelievable. Yeah, it's unbelievable, all right. Agreed? Anyways, come on, let's dance. Oh, wait. You're all in the wrong positions. Okay, D, you swap with Piglet, and Boomer, I'm sorry, but you're actually supposed to be right here, and yeah, here. Sadness, since your job is to keep all the sadness in the circle, I'm going to stay you right where you are for the seating chart. I love you so much. Okay, now I'm going to seriously leave it all to yourself, okay? I love you so much. Doggy kisses. Dog kisses. Magic dog kisses. Okay, everybody else. Are you ready to dance? Yes! Does anybody have any questions before I start dancing? Seriously? Nobody has a question? Okay, if you say so. Last call for questions? Wow, it's awfully quiet in here. Okay, then, well, I guess I might be starting my dance early today. Okay, here it goes. Oh yeah, I am dog dancing, and I'm really getting ready for a big finish. Yeah. Byron, can you do that again? You went kind of a little too fast. Sorry, Dee. I could do it again, but I'm a little tired. So no. Why didn't any magic happen? You have to be near a tree, but we're going to practice dancing until you can master dancing next to a tree. Okay? All right. Now that that's being suited, we can start. Okay, everyone, start dancing. Chop, chop. Ruff, 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 ruff. More waggle. Draw. What's your name again? Boomer. Oh, yeah, right, Boomer. More waggle, Boomer. Piglet, you're not even moving. D, put more dogness into it. And okay, you know what? Everybody stop. Stop. That was terrible. Guys, the magic dog dance is simple. Does anybody have any more questions? Start. Yes. How many hops are we supposed to do? I forgot. Any other questions? Does it matter which kind of order we do the dance in? What is wrong with you guys? And by the way, Dee, You don't just blurt out questions. You just need to raise your hand and I'll come to you. Oh, sorry. It's okay. But anyways, what is wrong with you guys? Guys, the magic dog dance is simple if you get the hang of it. Yes, King Cobra. But we don't know how to do it. Darn, darn. Of course not. Any other questions, King Cobra? So when do we do this? Never. Yes, Piglet? Do we have to dance the worm? No! We are dancing the dog. We're not dancing a completely different animal. We're dancing the dog. Come on, guys. You know this. It's the dog. You know what? I am going to be starting teaching you with the help of my assistant, Dot. No wonder you sent me to this laptop. You want me to be an assistant? Actually? Why, of course. After all, it is very helpful for a responsible 14-year-old dog to help. Why, thank you, Byron. This is going to be a long day. When will I get enough of that, Byron?
Hi, I'm Scout.
Perfect. Now you've got all my doggy dancing work up. We could practice dancing with the help of Dot. Hooray! I love it when my big sister helps. Yeah, sisters are pretty nice. Okay, Dot is the number assistant, which means she keeps track of how many moves I do in a certain number of dances. Okay, let me see. Right? Oh, that's it. Okay, one hop. That's one hop. One hop? Yes, it's one hop. Write that down, Dot. One hop. Stop talking! This laptop's always debating. Okay, anyways, as I was saying, type the number 1, Dot. One hop. One hop. Good. That's good. That's so very good. And then, what was next? Okay. There were 1, 2, 3, 4 tippy toes. Type that down, Dot. 4 tippy toes. Dot, dot. 4 tippy whatevers. 4. That's very good. And then, let me see. There were 1, 2, 3, 4 scooches. Write that down, Dot. 4 scooches. 4 scooches. And then there was something in the middle of the hops and the tippy toes.
Press a letter button.
Oh wait, actually, there wasn't a dance move between those. Sorry. It takes a lot of practice for a dog to think. It's okay. Is that all the numbers? Yeah. You could close the laptop. Phew. Alrighty now, I'll put it away and then we'll continue. Dot, do you still have the information? It's pretty heavy. The information is not heavy. The computer is heavy. Oh, right. It is so heavy. Why is it so enlarged? More effort. You know, a nice cozy doghouse does not have these problems. Dar dar. Byron was wheezing. Okay, you can stop worrying. I am finally here now. Thanks for helping me, Dot. You're welcome, because you helped me. Finally, I got enough of that Byron. All right, everyone. Let's start dancing by the number of hops, tippy toes, and scooches. Let's go. Shake, shake, shake. Wait a second. Wait, is it one hop or two hops? I can't remember. Oh, Piglet, it's not two hops. It's one hop, I think. No, is it three hops? Okay, now how many scooches? 3 scooches? 2 scooches? I think it's 1 scooch. Wait, how many scooches? Wait, what are we even supposed to do again? The students at Byron's Magic Dog Dancing class have been dancing the dog for 1 whole hour. Byron made lots of fruit and food profit. And the students were learning to practice just by the love of his appetite. Some actually learned it pretty quickly, while others didn't. I don't see any dancing. No, 1. Oh, 1. Right. And then 2 tippy toes? Oh, wait, no. 3 tippy toes. Oh, wait, how many tippy toes again? After 15 minutes, they have finally learned how to do the dance properly. Oh, I think we already learned. Are you ready? Okay. First, I think is 1 hop, 4 tippy toes, 4 scooches, and that's the big finish! Woohoo! Let's see. I did it! Hey, I did it too! Soon all the students have mastered the dance. All right. Everybody's done dancing. You can go home now. Remember to dance near a tree. I love you all. So everyone got to a tree and they all danced there. Sadness, just stay here. Okay? Wait, actually, I'm going to move you. Hold on a sec. Now you can be as sad as much as you want. Okay? All right. I love you, sadness. All the sadness stays in the circle, remember? I love you. Well done, Dot. Well done indeed. I sure helped you, and you sure helped me a lot. Yeah, that was a pretty rough task to accomplish. 20 minutes flowed by, or flew by, as I should say, for proper grammar and punctuation and grammar. It has been 20 minutes. They flew by. The friends did the dances once, twice, thrice, maybe quadruple times or 4 times. Oh! The times the amount of the dances the friends did. And nothing happened. There was no magic when the friends danced. Byron, there's one problem with your magic dance. Oh, wait, what is it? Is it missing an extra step? Yeah. No, all the steps are perfect, but nothing happened when I danced to a tree. Wait, what? You didn't see anything happen too? Okay, how about King Cobra? How about Boomer? I didn't see anything. I didn't even know if anything happened at all. Yeah, same for me. I didn't even smell anything. Well, That's odd. We wasted all the time just to learn how to do the magic dog dance, and nothing happened! Well, you are clearly doing the dance wrong. Let me show you. Follow me. All right, we're good to go. Hey! Byron led all of his students and Dot with frustration. Well, the students weren't frustrated, but only Dot was. And Byron led all the students to their tree. But when they danced, nothing happened. Okay, here is the proper dance you have been working on for nearly 1 hour and 15 minutes. You can nearly get this. Are you ready? It's clearly going like this. And a 1, 2, wiki, 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 Scooby Dooby 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 Dee. Yeah. Okay, the magic's coming. Any moment now. Deep doop. Any moment now. Deep doop. But nothing happened. Doop. And Byron felt guilty for himself. Darn. Oh no. Deep doop. Oh. Da-da-da-da. All my work for nothing. As long as they're alert, you might as well just go home and do a dance recital there? Of course. Why didn't I think of that? Why can't I just dance a recital for my lovely students to watch? You didn't let me finish, but okay. Go ahead. Unfortunately, it was night when Byron got there, because it was very late in the day, which is obviously night, not day. And so, all the friends gathered to Byron's doghouse cave. Dot, especially all the other students, were now frustrated. And Byron decided to give them a dance recital instead. And a rolly, 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 rolly. And a scoopy, shimmy, shimmy. You really enjoyed that dance? Yeah, let me do it again. That nearly took 2 hours. I know, Dee, but the magic stopped. It didn't work. Just as I thought. Oh, wait, there's something special. Look, the moon. Okay, what about the moon? The moon was not there when I started the 2-hour dance, and now it's there. That could only mean one thing. Magic. Anyways, I'll see you later. Bye. Goodbye. Smooches from Byron. I love you all, which is me, of course. I love you all. Now, I guess the moral of the story is magic dog dancing might not have a lot of magic in it, but it definitely has a lot of dog. Love me, pow, rough me, rough, roughy, pow, dog loves dog, dog loves dog, dogs love dog, and a roly poly,